As you can see, there's no naughty hat because it's not really Christmas time anymore, which reminds me of the very first thing that we need to do in order to update my game. We need to end the holiday sale. I extended it a little bit because it was supposed to be the Christmas and New Year's sale, but I completely forgot to, I forgot the Christmas part, so I'm gonna go ahead and end that real quick. And I thought that would be kind of an interesting thing to show in its own right, so... which configure it? Configure this place. I'll never remember. Place basic settings has been migrated to the creator dashboard. How do you access that without clicking this, by the way? So I've already gone ahead and removed the New Year's thumbnail icon. I guess I'll keep that the same for a while. I don't know, maybe I'll change it back. I'll change it back. Ghost Hunt. Where's icons? Oh, it's right where my cursor is. Oh my gosh. Game icon new. I've had a lot of icons. Upload image. Yes, upload now. Good. Okay, so store. I need to find my sale prices. Sale prices. I never reduced the price of the brighter flashlight. Man, I suck. Well, I'll go ahead and open everything else though. Christmas lanterns were cool. I wish more people would bought them. So I'll go ahead and take that off sale. For now, until next year. Take this off sale, just like that. I am recording with my camera, correct? Yes, I am. Alright, so colored lights are 10 Robux, not dollars. 10 Robux. These are kind of cheap because they're just meh. I mean, if I'm being totally honest, like the color makes it so that they're not that bright. But maybe I should make them more expensive because I don't want, like, anytime I make something expensive, it's not because I'm greedy, it's because I want to limit the amount of players who can have it. Because a lot of the stuff I make is fun, but admittedly, if there's too much of it, then it kind of defeats the kind of horror vibe that the game has. Brighter lantern should be 20. I don't even feel like the brighter lantern's worth it anymore. Don't tell anyone. And I already, I never changed the price of the brighter flashlight, so I don't need to worry about that. 21 strange and ingenious uses for WD-40. I can now check this off the list, and I have a new means of doing that. I found out, thanks to one of my former co-workers, if you press the Windows logo key and the semicolon key at the same time, it actually brings up the emoji menu. And that's really cool, and I can search for emoji. So I'm gonna use, which one should I use? I'll use that one, that's good. All right, so now I'll just go ahead and like copy and paste that whenever something is fixed. So now I don't have to use the F letter anymore to pay respects to the thing that I fixed. Try to fix cameras. This one I'm not looking forward to because it could be very complicated, which is why I'm saying try. Oh, I also need to do this. Christmas lights. I'll go ahead and group those, and I'll go ahead and put those in the lighting until next year. Once again, lighting service doubles as my storage area for all the stuff that I need to like hold on to for a while. Like I think all the jack-o'-lanterns are there as well. Anyway, that's that done. I can go ahead and remove this now. Snow over shop box. Why not? That was basically just there to indicate that there were Christmas items, but I'm gonna keep the snowy courtyard that I've got over here until springtime, because this isn't just a Christmas and New Year's thing, this is a winter thing in general. And I quite like it. I put way too much work into it to pack it up so soon. So that's that done. The issue with the cameras is that if you reset your character while you're using the cameras, the effects stay on the screen, and your camera is locked in the mode that the cameras need it to be in order to operate. But the code, where's the starter pack? There it is. Cam script. Is this a local script? It is a local script. I don't like the new icon. This here, this is on unequipped. So I think if I actually just paste this into... I think if I just paste this and a couple other things into a script that fires if your health reaches 0, then that should work. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy and paste all of this. Should this be StarterPlayer or StarterCharacter? Jeez, I don't know. What's already in here? What's this? Oh, that's the headlight. I don't even think I need that anymore. I can just delete that. Alright, well, I'll give it a try in starter character scripts and see what happens. I'm still learning about local scripts because I just like learned about them very recently. So player, I'll try this in starter player scripts. Player equals script.parent. I'm actually going to name this before I forget to. Reset cam on death. That's pretty descriptive. Player get character, I think is the function. On died. And then I think I can say character dot humanoid. This is very challenging. I can't deny. Health changed connect on died without parentheses, as we learned last episodes. I'm basically just making it so that anytime like the player takes damage, it resets their camera. That actually might be beneficial, because if they're like, I can't imagine someone would like pull up their cameras while dealing with Billy Collins in the morgue, but if they should and he starts attacking them, I feel like it'd be best if it just reset their camera then and there, so they still have like a maybe 2% chance of getting away before he actually kills them. I have no clue if this will actually work, but I'm gonna try it. Alright, here goes nothing. Well, why did it not work, I dare ask? Oh, I think it's not even a function. I don't think the get character is even a function. I think that's literally just dot character. Dot character. You can tell I don't work with player properties and stuff a lot. Okay, to Google we go. Character. A model controlled by, okay. Yeah, okay. I was just doing it wrong. Okay, well maybe this will work. And if it does, I actually do think I have an idea in mind of how to make it like find out if they died, because I'm not gonna call it on died, I'm gonna call it on health changed, and I would put this whole thing in an if statement that says if their health is equal to or below 0, then do all this. But I don't think I want to. I think I like the idea of it resetting their camera when they're damaged. That way if I ever want to add more threats, then that's all prepped for me. Oh, flip. Now what's wrong? Character is not a valid number. Is it not? Let me see something real quick. Oh, I need one more parent, or one more dot parent rather. Player script.parent.parent is actually what the player is, because I forgot that player scripts were stored in like a group. I forgot it wasn't just dumped into the player. Very organized. I still have a gut feeling it's not gonna work. I don't know, it's just the way I am. My gut is always right. Attempt to index nil value. Humanoid. Let me say print character.name and find out. Okay, so I'm looking for what it tells me. Wait, attempt to index nil value with name? Why? Let me say wait 10 or something, because I have a feeling it's trying to fire this script before my character is loaded in. Alright, so now like 10 seconds from now we should see that message. Neo 1996. What do you mean? Well, that, first of all, that's the problem. I know there's probably a lot of developers who are cringing at my abilities right now, or lack thereof, but I don't care, I'm still learning. I'm still learning, you can still deal with it. Ways to get local player. This is what I need. Okay, I think I can just say, what was it again? Game.players.localPlayer, right? Player.character. Ah! So now we've actually got some stuff. Character added, what's that? Fired when character spawns or respawns. Now we're getting somewhere. I just need to think about this for a minute. Oh, hang on a second. Object browser. Local player, please be oh, come on. Why is this very important thing that's missing from the object browser? Why is this not in the object browser? You have shirt and you don't have player? Come on. How to detect when a character is fully loaded. If I'm reading this right, I think I can say repeat wait until Let me make sure I'm using that. I've never used this repeat. I don't even know what that does. Repeat wait until Roblox. I don't know anything about this. I don't know if it's good practice or not. Oh, okay. Basically what it does, there's another way of looking at this. That's cool. So basically it keeps doing this until that happens. So it's just gonna be caught into a loop. That's clever. Okay, that's exactly what I needed, because now what I can do is, because everything below this line, in fact, I'm gonna notate this as a comment to myself so I can remember when I look at this 12 years later. Everything below this line only happens after character loaded. There we are, future me. Merry Christmas. Okay, so this just keeps waiting. It keeps doing this until the character is loaded, or until the character is present, and then it declares all these. Okay, that's actually brilliant. So I think that solves at least that problem. Yeah, so it still does, the script still doesn't work, but I think we're closer, question mark. Yeah, attempt to index nil value with change. That's the next problem. But why though? That's the thing. Humanoid health changed Roblox. That's kind of what I need. This is what I do every time I need to make a script that I've not done before, that I'm not familiar with. This is what any programmer does. Look at what other people have done. Okay, so here we have stuff. Oh, wait, is there a function for this? Humanoid.health changed connect. Okay. Is it that? Go back. Is it that simple? What do you know? It is that simple. What's free falling then? Falling down? Wait, died! I was just overcomplicating it, which is what I always do. Just make a slight adjustment here. Health changed, connect on died. I'm gonna change that to on damaged because that's more accurate to what it does. So, oh, come on. I thought for sure that would do it. It looks like the script isn't actually breaking. I'm gonna do a few things. I just want to know if this function's firing. Because if the function's not firing, then that indicates another problem altogether. Okay, so that works. So the problem, it's a logic error, which I absolutely detest. I suspect it's not finding that for some reason, because the fact that I don't have an actual error message when this goes is very telling. All right, so we know that it fires this. Print GUI found. This will be very telling. Okay. So, aha. It seems that for some reason it's not locating the GUI. Oh, I know what the problem is. Oh, I know exactly what the problem is. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. So the problem is I was declaring this variable at a time when the player doesn't actually have the camera GUI. That makes so much sense. Okay. Ugh.
I had my script looking in the wrong section. How could I be so stupid?
Okay. That's probably it, right? First.
Oh! Yes!
Oh, yes. Oh, the satisfaction. Now what happens if I just reset? Nothing looks out of the ordinary. Oh my goodness. Wait, now it's not doing it again. Why? Oh, I couldn't have joy for like 2 seconds. I mean, it's a step in the right direction, and I would be happy to publish these changes already, but I'm very curious as to why it only works once. I'm kind of thinking like maybe it declares like the first instance of the character and that never changes, so that first instance of the character becomes irrelevant. I don't know. It's closer. It's a step in the right direction. So now I'm probably going to increase my brightness because, hang on a second, what's a good emoji to use for this? No. Oh, flip. No, I'll just have nothing because I didn't fix it. I fixed it, but only once per server, apparently.